Can't do it.
Whoa!
Aiden's
Oh my
dancing.
God.
He just.
It's going for our feet. It's going for our feet. Oh, poor thing. Yeah.
He's hopping at us. We're afraid of this little blue jay.
Mama.
Are you taking pictures of
I'm
it?
recording.
I don't know. Where's his mommy?
Where's your mama? It's hopping at us, Darian. Oh, poor thing. Where's mama?
I don't know, but he's crying.
Mama!
How long should I give it before I get concerned and pick him up and take him to the sanctuary?
It hops at you, Darian. See?
He's hopping at Darian. Are you recording?
Yes.
Aiden's recording.
It ran into the glass door.
He flew into.
I heard a bonk, and then it started something started screeching.
Oh my God!
No, I think it wants to because it's
Hey,
scared.
go get some of the hamster food. Bring it out here a little.
The eagle?
Yeah.
Oh, well. Goodbye.
He's hopping. The poor
Hey, so
thing
what-
is so cute, but it's freaking me the hell out.
Hey, it's a winner.
Don't let the dog
Yeah,
out.
that's what I'm saying.
That'll be dinner. He's hopping. He's like looking for some attention. Oh,
Mama! Where's the mama bird?
that scared the crap out of me because I'm just sitting on the front porch.
It hurt itself.
It flew into the door, like into the glass. On
Winner,
the door, you know what I
stop.
mean?
The thing's hurt.
He's not
He
hurt.
can't. It looks older. Darren, watch out. It's right there.
He's a baby.
That's a lot
Yeah.
of food.
Got flab. He's got
Go have some
feathers.
food.
Oh, I can send you a picture. Hold on.
Go get some food, little birdie. Oh, he's starting to eat. He's starting to eat.
Hold on. It's gonna drive the dog crazy though.
It's eating.
You know what I'm saying? He's on my front porch.
Darren, watch out. It's. Never mind, you can go. Come on, Darren.
You hear it still?
Put the water out. Have some water. Where's the mama bird?
Oh man.
It's okay.
That's
It's okay.
crazy. This
Mama's
bird
coming.
freaked me the hell out. Well, I wasn't expecting anything to come fly at me, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean it was flying aimlessly, you know, like it was just, it had no direction because it's learning how to fly.
Where's mama?
That's why I said don't pick it up, don't touch it. It will figure it out.
Yeah, I'm just
Leave or go back in the house, it'll go away.
It's gonna hop
I'm
towards you.
just looking at him. It's really cool.
I'm shocked the mama's not down there.
Yeah, I know. I was like all of a sudden slam right into the door.
Where's mama?
Hopefully the mama. You see it?
Yeah, it was
Well, on that note, I think I'm gonna get off of here. I'm gonna start getting ready to go.
eating. Oh, yes, let's try to fly. Come on. You can do it.
Bye.
You can do it. Come on. You can fly. Come on.
Hold on.
Come
I'm
on.
gonna do Facebook.
You can do it. You can do it, little birdie. You okay? You have a headache? Hey. Yeah, where's mama? You want your mom? Yeah. Mama! Where's the mama? No, it's okay. Poor thing.
So I was sitting on my porch where Darian's sitting right now. Say hi, Darian. And I see this thing which freaked me the hell out, by the way. This little itty bitty baby bird, blue jay, flies into the door. And then, after he flies into the door, He flies towards me, sitting over there on that chair, having me run off into like a
Give
crazy
it more
person.
food.
I'm screaming on the telephone.
The
And
one.
we have this little guy here. I'm assuming, hopefully, Mama will come for him soon.
Yeah.
But he was learning how to fly and spread his wings. But he's totally creeping us out.
Not
He
me.
was going towards our toes.
Yeah,
Every
he
time
was
we get-
hopping at us.
Keeps hopping at us. But he's a cute little thing. Hi, baby.
He's scared. He or she is scared.
So I guess I'm supposed to leave him alone. But what is a good time frame if nobody comes for him or he doesn't fly away? What should we do? If
Probably.
he doesn't come within a certain time frame, should we be concerned?
Yeah.
Or Mommy will eventually find him.
Mama would end up.
No, that's actually you should be concerned.
Because I think right now he's just learning how to fly and he took off and he hit the glass door.
I don't think Mama's nearby.
And now he's just chilling out with us. freaking
Darren,
us out.
put
cute, though.
some food near him.
But I
him
didn't
or
know
her.
if I should be concerned after a certain time, if I should take him
Get
to
some
a
food,
sea-
Darren.
seabird sanctuary
But like a
or
handful.
something, or if I should just
Poor little
let
guy.
him hang out. Because he is definitely just a baby.
And hurt now. Because that glass is hard.
Don't worry about it. He's not needing any water.
Food,
If
probably.
you take the water bottle back,
Just leave it up there.
Just leave it right there.
Just don't forget it. Don't. Just let him be.
Just
So anyhow, I'm hoping Mommy will come for him. But until
I'm
then,
just sitting down. I'm just
we're
sitting down,
checking
little
him
one.
out, hoping that we don't get attacked by Mom.
There you go. Want some foodies? Oh, good job.
There you go.
Yes.
Is he able to eat it?
I don't know,
No,
because
I think we
Mama throws it. Oh, don't hit me.
Stay where you are. I don't think he's
There
going
you
to
go.
hurt you.
Want some food?
Other than
There you
scare
go.
us
Here's
because
some
we were
food.
scared. The kids brought out
Here's
some
some
bird
food.
and some seeds that we had. But I don't even know if we
Here's
eat
some
that
food.
at that age.
No, they have to have what's it called, chewed up food.
Still getting chewed up stuff.
Right near me.
So this is our excitement.
Yep. Can you let me go inside real quick? Thank you.
Don't let the dog out.
Let her stay. Oh! Poor thing. Should I let him in?
No, we got a cat and a dog.
Oh, yeah. Poor thing. He's scared. Yeah, I was just sitting here and then I heard bang. Then I heard my mom screaming. Excuse me, when I go back. Go back. I'm coming. I'm coming, little birdie. I'm coming, little birdie. I don't want to hit you. Do you scoot back, little birdie? Yeah. That's sad. I feel sorry for it. There we go. Oh, that's a flippin' wasp. I dislike wasp. Poor little bird.
Look at that. This is how they learn. They fly out of the tree and Mommy comes and finds
I
them.
don't like that on his
eventually.
feathers. I think he ripped some of his feathers. So.
No, he's not developed yet. He's just a baby.
I'm saying look at the back of his the wing on his left.
No, it's the same on both
Oh,
sides.
no, don't go for my feet, please.
I know. They scare you because they're afraid of their beak.
Beak's not that bad, to be honest.
Yeah, but it still hurt.
It
Hopefully
hurts.
Mommy comes and gets him.
Mama! Come on, Mama bird.
Maybe if we move away for a second, she'll come and get him.
Yeah.
We would have heard
Oh,
other
oh,
screeches back.
he's gonna try to eat. He's trying to eat. He or she. I don't know what type of bird, like a boy or girl if you are, but us. I don't know. I'll just call it Jordan. See? Come on.
Get some bread, maybe.
There you go.
Can you eat it?
Yep. Oh, he's eating it.
Don't throw it in his mouth.
No, that's how Mama does it.
Bread.
Like, we're gonna be spending.
Why me?
Let's go to bed.
Go there.
That might be his mama calling.
Oh, that actually might be.
Yeah, it looks like it. I'm
All right,
moving.
Let's go inside for a few minutes and see if mommy comes.
Yep, I think that's Mama.
We're on the other door.
Mama, come get your bird. Or Dada.
Probably Mama.
I'm just gonna sit at the glass door and watch. Don't you agree? I'm just gonna sit over here and watch.
6:17 in the morning. I haven't slept. And in about exactly 24 hours, I'll be at the airport and traveling to California. I have a lot to do, but let me explain why I felt like I really wanted to.
Honestly, I don't know watch Mama come by.
A few months ago, I went to
Where is he?
elementary school.
He's right here.
Elementary school. I went to a fourth
Hi, bird.
class. I brought some of my animals, and I
I'll call you Jay.
with some children. The class was awesome. They were awesome group of kids, and it was just such a different world than what elementary school was like back in life.
Call it Jordan.
All of these kids were whipping out their iPhone 7s and taking pictures of what I was doing, and it was just very different. They were like Snapchatting it, and I'm like, huh? I remember in 5th grade, I asked my mom for a red Razor, which is that, flippy cell phone. Yeah, she got me a red Razor scooter. So it was just very different to see 4th graders in this generation. Okay, so Thursday, which is tomorrow, is their last day of school. And that's when their school lets out, and the next year they're going to 5th grade. And they wrote me letters.
It's trying to eat. Go get it some bread.
Video to them
Oh,
school lets out, just so they can show it. My aunt Becky is the teacher.
right there. Hi. Oh, he wants in. He or she wants in. Oh, it flew.
So I'm going back to my house, and we're going to go and read
Come on, Jordan.
Seriously.
the notes. You're going to
You can fly, Jordan. If you fall,
the right place for. I went while I was in
Mama would be here by now.
had this badger. I'm going to somewhere called the Manta Foundation. Now, this is a dog and cat rescue group.
Where is it?
They go
Aw.
to towns and they find
Oh.
sick animals and they
Go out that door. I don't want to take the chance of winter.
And I don't want the chance of the bird flying in. Oh, it's looking at me. Oh.
take the animals in,
We're gonna see if your mama's gonna come.
broken bones, whatever the case may be, and then they adopt them out. And it was so
So I was sitting on my porch where Darian's sitting right now. Say hi, Darian. And I see this thing which freaked me the hell out, by the way. This little itty bitty baby bird, blue jay, flies into the door. And then, after he flies into the
Darren, try feeding it to it.
flies towards me, sitting over there on that chair, having me run off into like a crazy person. I'm screaming on the telephone, and we have this little guy here. I'm assuming, hopefully, mom.
It was so nice meeting all of you and all of your animals.
Put it right next to him. There you go.
That's food. It's food.
All right, leave it alone.
Mhm. Where's Mama? Do you have a mama? The TV. Oh, okay. Mama's not coming. Not yet. Where's Mama? Does he have a mama or she have a mama? It's okay. You can put your feathers up.
Is he going to eat anything?
No, he's just standing here going, ah, ah. Poor thing. Poor bird. Oh, yep, try to fly. Come on. Try to fly. Oh, yep. Try to fly. Try to fly. Come on. You can do it. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. I'm afraid of a bird or something trying to eat it if we're gone and Mama didn't pick it. If it's still here when we get back from the movies, what does that mean? Call the animal shelter?
We'd have to take the
What?
bird sanctuary.
Yeah. It's okay. Oh, poor thing. I was just watching YouTube. I hear bang. Poor thing. Feel sorry for that bird. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. And peace out.